Find your place. Take your stand. Bring more of your light of being into your world and into the world around you. You are ready. You are ready. You are more ready than you realize. And we welcome you as you gather here in San Sebastian. 2 days in Barcelona, and something stirred in you. Something shifted. Something was set in motion. You may not know what, you may not, oh yeah, that was supposed to happen. And it did. You aren't necessarily conscious of it, or maybe you are. Then even if you are, you may not know when or where, but something stirred in you. Something shifted, and you set something in motion. You were touched, indeed, more than touched, you were embraced by beauty. You experienced the beauty, and it embraced you as you embraced it, and it touched you. And you experienced. And out of that experience, in the stirring, in the shifting, in the touch, in the embrace, or being embraced, there is an urge for freedom, greater freedom. You are free, you have freedom, you know what it is to have the opportunity of freedom. And you are free, so many of you, in so many ways, but there's an urge now, there's a desire now in your world with all the crumbling that's happening, all the shifting that's occurring, all the destruction that seems, all the what sort of insanity is going to come today and what sort of threat is going to come out of Eastern Europe or out of North Korea or out of the Middle East or out of South America or out of the EPA or out of the regulations here or there, or out of today's contrarian idea and tomorrow's other game playing in the world. I want to be freer of the chaos, freer of the confusion, freer of the seeming insanity in the world. And out of these experiences already, in the shifting and the stirring, I want to be free of something I have been carrying for far too long. Free of something that's not who I really am. Free of who I am not. You may not know what that is, or you may know very precisely the baggage that you want to let go of. And your soul also wants you to be free of something. Perhaps it's something that they know you have been hanging on to too long. Freedom that you desire freedom from, so that you can be free to become more. Freedom, something your soul wants you to be free of, free from, so that you and your soul together are free too. You and your soul together. For so long we've talked of the challenge of your spirituality. That is not only to develop and hone and sharpen your relationship with God, God is all that is, and your relationship with yourself. In the process, the first and seventh component of that challenge. To hone the relationship with God, God is all that is, to hone the relationship with yourself, but also to create a partnership with God, God is all that is. A partnership with yourself. A partnership, yeah. You can skip over the words so quickly. Oh yeah, I know, relationship, partnership, got it. A partnership where you, God got us all that is, and thus your soul, share the responsibility of your life. The dreams, the visions, the hopes, the desires. Not yours alone, but shared with your soul. To be free from, so that you're free to live your life together with your soul. In partnership. And so here you are, gathered in San Sebastian, to become freer than you've been. But not just to succeed with freedom, but to triumph. The triumph, not just the success, the triumph of your personal freedom. Welcome. Welcome.